How to create custom paper sizes when printing from the print menu in macOS. Load the custom paper into the paper input tray on your printer. Then slide the paper width guides in until they rest against the edges of the paper. Open the document or photo you want to print. Click File. Then click Print. Select Manage Custom Sizes from the Paper Size menu to open the Custom Paper Sizes window. Click the plus sign to create a new paper size. Double-click the default untitled name to type a unique name for the custom paper. Set the width and height. Set the non-printable area if you would like. And then click OK. Note: do not use an existing name for the new paper because it overrides the existing preset. For example, if a custom paper size is named A4, the existing A4 paper size is no longer available as a choice. In the Print Preview window, select the new custom paper size, and then click Print.